So hi everyone, my name is Akhil. So first step in your project is to create a discovery function, and we'll go to discovery in our resource list. And what discovery will do is it will just train our data. What input we are giving in this function, we will train our given data. So it's loading in a minute. Yes. So it will train our data and will test our questions answers as per our trained data. So after launching Watson Discovery, we'll go to our owner manual, which I have previously created. It's just a discovery function, nothing else. Uh, and there are 136 elements in our document, which I have scanned before. So I can show you my scanned document previously. After going to identify fields, see here, it's the PDF of 41 pages. I have scanned it, and also uh, I have used basically two attributes, that is one subtitle and another is text. So after going to manage fields, I can see one is subtitle and another is text. I have trained my document as per two functions, two elements, and now we'll create a function which will take our node code, and we generate our ID, API ID, and also our URL, which will paste further in our Watson assistant. After going to actions, after I have started my functions and went to actions later, and after going to actions, wait a minute. Yeah, I have created previously my discovery function. I'll enable it, and now here I can see my code. Yes, this is my previously generated node code, and after going to invoke, it will generate my activation ID. Yes, and also after going in parameters, it will show us. Yes, after going in parameters, it will show us my URL, environment ID, collection ID, which I'll put in my Watson assistant, which I'll create later. Yes, this is my activation ID. So runtime, endpoints, my URL, which will generated, code. Yes, they are my discovery functions. Now we will launch our Watson assistant. I have loaded already the page. Watson Assistant, nothing we have to do, just go to resource list and launch our Watson Assistant, and this page will come. uh, Already created assistant, that is its name is customer care. Yes, skill, customer care skills. Here what we'll pass is we'll pass our information related to project information, which we have scanned before by discovery function. We will test our given questions as per its answers. Now we'll go to dialog and ask about product information. Here I have already put my code and also uh, enabled my webhooks. Okay, then applied. Okay, now we'll test our given question. So I am going to test my question, that is first of all, simply it will say uh, hi or hello. Yeah, I have generated for hello. So how I will ask, how do I turn on a heater? So it will give my answer as per its scan document. See, in this menu, let's do wing, and this is our answer, which was given in PDF as per that. And now what we'll give is we will give it a physical appearance using Node-RED, and we will deploy our given Watson assistant to a particular URL, which it will only generate automatically. We have to do nothing, just create a physical appearance function giving Node-RED. So from app URL, Node-RED will appear. Okay, go to Node-RED Flow Editor. It will launch our Node-RED editor. So here I have already generated functions. Different input will go from form and in form of text, and customer care Watson assistant is already made. We have just attached it here, and here we can see that we have put my URL, password, API ID, which was created in discovery. I have copied it here, and from here I can just deploy my Watson assistant. Yes, we'll go to deploy, and it will launch my final chat box. So I'll ask some questions like hi or hello. First of all, I'll try hi. Oh, sorry, I not trained it with the hi. I have trained it with hello. So I'll ask how can I switch on heater? Okay, submit. See, our answer is there. The amount of indirect requires them. We can ask it for more questions also, like wait a minute. We'll ask from what are the opening hours or what is the location. So I'll test for what are the opening hours. So it will give me answer Friday to 10. So this was my chat box which I created using Node-RED, Discoveries, Watson Assistant, and IBM Cloud.